What's going on, everybody? This is 𝘋𝘪𝘴𝘤𝘭 again with 𝘋𝘯𝘧𝘰𝘳𝑐𝑡𝑟𝑎l Functional Medicine, located here at The Medicine Man, working with Dr. Charlie Rouse, the one and only medicine man. Today we want to talk about mitochondrial health. So what is the mitochondria? So our body contains almost 37 trillion, that's with a T, 37 trillion mitochondria. They're located in every single one of our cells. Most of our cells have hundreds to thousands of mitochondria in each cell. So you can think of the mitochondria as the powerhouse of the cell, meaning it's where energy is produced. So basically the mitochondria's function is to take the macronutrients, which are carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. So it takes these three macronutrients and it creates energy from these. So a good analogy that we can use is an internal combustion engine. So your car, for example. So you put gasoline into your car, and then it's mixed with some oxygen, and through that process, energy is produced. The same is true with the mitochondria. We put food and oxygen into the equation, and then inside of that mitochondria is where the energy is produced for the cell and for your body. What's left, there's byproducts of this. It's a reactive oxygen species. So that's where antioxidants come into play, such as the glutathione, and there are a few other antioxidants. So here at my practice, 𝘋𝘪𝘴𝘤𝘭𝘢𝘪𝘮𝘦𝘥 Functional Medicine, what we like to do is we like to get a super in-depth history, obviously. That's our discovery session. During that time, we sit down and talk about your entire history from the time you were in your mother's belly to your birth, to your childhood, what all led up to your current complaint. So I start thinking of mitochondrial dysfunction if a person has mental health problems, muscle aches, fatigue, fibromyalgia, POTS. There's lots of things that lead us to an evaluation of the mitochondria. Like I was saying, the brain is highly involved with the mitochondria. The highest presence of mitochondria is actually in the brain. So there's a Harvard-trained psychiatrist, Dr. 𝘱𝘯𝘧𝘰𝘳𝘐𝑚. He just wrote a book called The Brain Energy that talks a lot about mental health disorders as they relate to mitochondrial dysfunction. Go check that out. That's been a really great read. So if you want to come see me, like I said, I'm located here at The Medicine Man. Inside here, you can sit down and talk with me. We'll decide if we need to do a mitochondrial assessment. If you do, I like to utilize the metabolomics, which is a test that shows how your mitochondria is functioning. Inside of that mitochondria where the energy is produced, there's lots of vitamins and other things that help this cycle run optimally. So we can address that and we can get to the root cause of your problems. Look forward to seeing you. Hope y'all have a great day. Thank you.